everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pratika, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing a spectacle brand called as Lensmart. So they do ship worldwide and I think they ship from China. So I'm going to be putting more details in the description box below and you can check out their link. And I also have a discount code for you guys, and that is Pratika25, from which you get 25% discount on their website. So these glasses were sent to me by Lensmart and I absolutely love them. They have such variety of glasses with prescription and without prescription. So over here I have 3 different glasses with me. Few of them are really blinged, so it's something that I would never get if I was just purchasing offline. But since I was doing this online, you can see so many varieties and I thought, why not pick something different from each of them. So all the spectacles I have here are prescription glasses, and I do wear glasses with prescription, that is cylindrical one, but you have all the different kinds of spectacles with and without prescription. You can also get something that is just fashionable. And over here I have 3 glasses and I'm going to be doing a try on haul along with unboxing. So this is the outer packaging that it came in, and inside we have 3 different glasses which are packaged really well. So this is the first box of glass, and look at the packaging. It is a very simple cardboard packaging, but it's also very secure, so you don't have to be worried that your glasses are going to break. And it comes with this opening, and even the inside covering of the glass is pretty amazing. So you get this velvet kind of case. And this case is also magnetic. It has a very magnetic opening, so your spectacles will stay secure. Along with the glasses, you also get a piece of cloth to keep your glasses clean, and you also have a guide which you can read if you want. So in this velvet case, as I said, it has a magnetic opening which I really like. It is extremely good. You can carry this wherever you go. And inside it comes with just a plastic packaging. So this glass is the favorite out of the lot, and this one is called PERIDOT. So each of these glasses on their website have a number as well as a name, so you can search it just with its name. So this one was the most expensive one, so compared to the glasses that you usually get from an optician, you can definitely get this for a very affordable price. So the price of the frame for this glass is $14 as of now, and I'm going to be putting the right price at the bottom of the screen. So this is how the spectacle looks like. It has a cat eye effect at the end, but it does not have the frame which is covering it entirely. So the outline of the frame is around the spectacles except for the corners, which is kind of giving it a very chic look. So this is how it looks like on me. Glasses, the prescription is on point. I gave them my prescription of what I already had and I'm already wearing, so you can definitely get your prescription just the way you have it. They also had something called as a pupil distance. You can also measure it just by looking online, but as of now I can say that the prescription is on point. I'm just going to be wearing this for a few days, and you can see an update on this in my Instagram, that is @cutenailat96. So this is one of my favorite glasses from the lot that I have here today, and surprisingly it's the first glass that I picked up. So I'm going to be giving a closer look of the spectacles as well, so you can see all the details that it has around here. So next I'm going to be unboxing the second glass, and I really don't know which one is it inside. So as you can see, the packaging for all the spectacles is the same unless you open it inside and actually see which one it is. So the shipping on this website is a standard shipping of 5 to 12 days depending on where you exactly live. And you can also check out more information on the screen. I'm also going to be putting a link in the description box below, so you can read it over there as well. And for the prescription glasses, they also have a processing time of 1 to 2 weeks, and you can definitely check this information in the website. So the next glass I have here is called Perissa, and this one is a completely transparent glass. So I've been wanting these glasses since a while now, and I thought this was a perfect opportunity to get one. So this one surprisingly looks really good, except for the fact that it's a little too big for me. So the problem when you shop spectacles online, you don't exactly know how it's going to look on you. So they do have a try on section where you can just see how the glasses look on you, but it's exactly not the same how you feel when you wear it. So this is how the spectacles look like, and it is completely transparent. You can see the sides are transparent. It also has a frame which is transparent. So it's such a cool glass, but then it's just a little too big. Let me know in the comment box below how this looks on me, but I just feel it's a little too big for my face as I usually wear smaller glasses. So this is how this one looks like. So when I chose this glass, I didn't really think it looked this good on me. I actually like the way it looks. And the cost of this frame is $9.95 currently, and you can get 25% off by using my discount code. You also have various different lenses that you can choose from, the different kinds of lenses. You can see the information here. So this one has actually impressed me, and I'm definitely going to be wearing it more. And the third glass I have here today is this beautiful blingy glass called as Behati, and this one is something I don't think everyone would choose or wear, and I particularly bought this for the pictures, or anytime that I do a photo shoot I can definitely wear this one. So it's kind of very bling, it has stones all over it, but this is one of their best-selling products, so you can try it if you actually plan on wearing it for a wedding or for a function or even your birthday. It seems to be perfect for any occasion. Frankly speaking, I wouldn't be getting this if I saw it in store, but since it was online and I also saw a lot of pictures and posts on their Instagram, that is at Lensmart_online, it looked pretty good in the pictures, and I can definitely say it does look good on me in the pictures. But I'm not really sure if I can wear it just for any occasion outside, but you can definitely wear it for a special occasion. So this is how it looks like. It is again a transparent glass. The base is a transparent glass. It's a cat eye glass. But coming to the outline at the bottom of this glass, you can see they have added a chain of stones which covers the entire bottom part of the glasses. And the end also has two bigger stones, so it's such a bling spectacles that you can definitely take it for a photo shoot. I would really wear it for one. So this is how it looks on. So the best part about this brand, or this glass in particular, is that you can get any kind of glasses with prescription. So even though I'm wearing this for a photo shoot, I'm wearing it for a special occasion just because it's blingy, I can definitely wear this and see things because it has a prescription on it. So if you go to a normal store, you do not find glasses with different styles and different designs. They're usually with frames, kind of having a scholar look to it. But this one in particular has so many different styles. You can choose from so many patterns, and you can have it with your prescription. So that's the best part about this brand. So I'm again going to be giving a closer look to this one as well. So finally, my review on the website, it's definitely legit, and you do get the prescription you ask for, and that's why you have a processing time for your prescription glasses. So even though it takes 5 to 12 days to reach your city or your country, you can definitely wait for it because any glasses would take this much time to reach. It can also take more than 20 days to reach, but that's totally fine because you are going to get the glasses and you do get a tracking number once your order is placed. So the price of all these 3 glasses with the prescription came up to $125, and with my coupon code, that is Pratika25, you can get $25 off. So you can get more than 1 glasses from this website, which otherwise you'll be spending just on one. So it's definitely something you can try out. I'm not too sure of their return or refund policy, but I'm going to be putting a link to that as well in the description box below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, then you can leave it in the comment box below. And that's all for today's video. See you on the next one.